here today in the historic surroundings of Titanic Hotel in Belfast for the Northern Ireland workshop, and we've invited the Incoming Tour Operators Association of Ireland to bring their members here to Belfast to network with Northern Ireland trade.
We're looking for opportunities to promote and sell Northern Ireland as part of our Ireland programmes in the overseas markets. Tourism Northern Ireland, along with the borough councils, are really working very hard to pull together product that actually gives people a reason to come here, but more importantly to stay here, and to stay here longer and spend more money.
On a day-to-day basis, especially in the hotel industry and tourism industry, you're just so busy, and sometimes we just don't take the time to really engage with our clients. This is a great way to allocate that time to sit down and really talk about business and how we can do business in the future.
We're up here in the north today looking for new product, looking to meet existing suppliers. Northern Ireland is an integral part of our market, and it is one of our most popular destinations for our tourists coming to visit the island of Ireland.
I think it's not very often you get out of the office to actually make that face-to-face connection. So it's good to get out and shake hands, put faces to names and develop the relationships further.
The Crumlin Road Jail, great venue, lovely band playing up on the veranda. The actors they had, it was fantastic. We done a quick tour after dinner. Everyone enjoyed it. Everyone I spoke to had a great time. So I can highly recommend the Crumlin Road Jail.
Today we visited new hotels, which was very exciting for me to see the new Maljon in Belfast and Grand Central. I was very impressed with both hotels. I haven't been here in 17 years in the north, and it really opened my eye how much has changed and how many more locations I can put into itineraries.
Hillsborough was fascinating, actually, getting close and personal with the royal family. You were in their sitting room and there was the family photos. It's a great destination. Northern Ireland's definitely become a top-class destination. There's a real kind of sense of civic pride. It's a really positive international destination.